Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have a great news I want to share with you guys. So today is my birthday and I went and I gave my dream gift to myself because I always wanted to buy this thing and I never got chance to buy this. So for this birthday I gifted myself this thing, so I'll show you. So this is my camera and I have gifted this to myself. I went today and I bought it and it's like I don't have words to explain how I'm feeling right now, and from now onwards all my vlogs and all my videos going to be recorded in this camera, and I hope you will like it. And I don't know. I'm so overwhelmed right now, and I really thank universe to, gave me what I have right now so that I could buy this camera. And this is my dream camera because once I saw it's launching, I think 2 years back, and I'm not sure, maybe 1.5 or 2 years back, but since then I was like, I have to buy this camera. I want this camera in my life, but I don't know, I never could buy this camera, but now since I got it and on my birthday, I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy. So chalo, I'll unbox this camera and I'll show you what all things I've got in this camera. This is Pocket 3 creator combo. So in creator combo we have few things extra like a battery pack and a lens and mic also is there, so few other things are there. So chalo, let's open the camera, let's unbox it. Let's unbox my birthday gift for myself. Chalo. Okay, so they have given this logo also from DJI, and this is like instruction and warranty card and everything. So we will keep this aside. So yes, let's open this. So this is a bag that they have given. Okay, so first thing first, I'll take out this camera, otherwise I don't want you guys to get bored. So this is the camera. And then I'll show you what all things I've got with this. Okay, so this is a stand. What else? Okay, so this is a connector which has this thread, so I can connect it with a tripod or something. So this is one thing, and same like that I have this is battery pack. I have researched it so much that without even opening I know what all things I have got. So yeah, this is a battery pack, and this also has this 3x4 screw, and so if I have this battery, then this is good enough, right? Like I'll have enough backup for a whole day vlog or something. This is the mic that they have given with the camera. This is beautiful, right? Okay, so what next? Okay, so this is the windshield for the mic. This is also cute, and this is just to tie this thing with the mic. Charging cable, which we all have, just like so much. sorry, oops, I threw it. What else? Yes, what is this? Yeah, this is a 15 mm lens, external lens. Oh, something like a wide angle but not too wide. So this is the lens. That's it. So now we'll have a look here. It was so satisfactory, by the way. So let's turn it on. Oh my god. So I'll set up everything later. So I think I have to set up, then only I'll be able to go into the screen. But anyways, I can show you like this. So even if you'll move this, this is kind of gimbal, right? So it will stay in the place. The camera will stay in place. So I'm so happy holding this camera in my hand. I could not explain my excitement right now. So yes, we are done. And here, yeah, this is the connector. You can charge the camera from here also, and you can use this C-type connector also. And one more thing was there, no? Yeah, you can use this also. This is just a grip, just for the tripod, that's it, because here they don't have this 3x4 screw, so that's why they have this in here. So for tripod I need to fix this, otherwise I can just go ahead with this one. And yeah, that's it. Then I'll show you this one. This is a case for the camera. Like when you're not using it, you can just put your camera in this case or cover. Yes, like this. I know it's not one of the best kind, but anyways, it's good enough, right? From here you can charge. It's like very handy when you're traveling and you have to use the camera every now and then you cannot have something like with cover or box or something like that. So this is very handy. It'll keep your screen and lens safe, and whenever you need to record, you can immediately just take the camera out and you can just record from it. So yes, that's good enough. So yes, I don't know what this thing is for. I'll check online what is this. Maybe I can hang something from here, but I don't know, I'll just check. So yeah, that's all. These all things I've got with the camera, and this is a creator combo, so I've got quite good enough things. And in normal like if you are not going to buy the creator combo, and in normal camera only, you will get the camera and I think this handle and the charging thing, and I think that's, and yeah, this thing will be there. So these many things you'll get with the only camera thing, and if you buy the creator combo, you'll get all these things. So I'll just keep everything here so that you can see precious lens. This tripod stand, this is for mic, and this bag. So all these things you'll get with the creator combo. Hey guys, just a quick update. My next vlog is really special because it's from my solo trek. I went on this amazing journey last week, but I couldn't edit and post it earlier. So that's coming up next. Just a heads up. That vlog wasn't shot on this new camera, but everything after that vlog will be. I can't wait to share my solo trekking experience with you guys. So please stay tuned. You cannot charge this portion because this is not this doesn't contain battery, only this contains battery. So this thing here, only it will charge the camera. So if you'll, since the charging port of the camera is inside now, so now you can charge from here camera directly, this thing. So if this is used, so now you can use charge the camera with this one. So yes, everything is handy now. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Actually, I know this video is very short, but I just wanted to share my moment, share my feelings with you guys. So that's why I recorded this video. And also I have uploaded a reel and a short video. So it's like when I was going to buy the camera, so in the cab and while coming back, and I had this camera in my hand, so that moment I have captured and I have put it in reel and shorts. So please go and watch that, and I'll sign off now. I'll enjoy this camera today, and I don't know what to say. It's just overwhelming for me. So and yeah, today is my birthday, so please comment on my video if you like it. So I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.